Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Glenn, and Glenn has a vehicle for sale. Glenn, what are you selling?
It's a 2008 Chrysler Crossfire.
And how long have you owned it, Glenn?
About 5 years.
Okay. And so I'm sure people are going to ask why you're selling it.
Well, I've decided I'm got a fancy for this Jaguar F-Type.
So you're not getting out of the hobby. You're
No. I love cars, always have.
Yeah, wonderful. So I used to be in paintless dent repair, and I know when they came out with this hood, they put this in here to give it rigidity.
Ah, okay.
But, so can you tell us about the car?
Sure. This one's really rare.
Okay.
The paint is oyster gold metallic clear coat.
Oh, wow.
And I've got a letter from Chrysler that establishes that they only made 61 of them this color.
Oh, holy cow.
They only
I'm
made.
just going to walk around.
Yeah.
So it's a 2008 Crossfire.
Yeah,
Last year for it.
Right.
Only 61 made with this color, just like you just said. Here's your phone number, and I'll put that phone number on the video
Great.
as well.
It's only got 30,000 miles on it.
Holy cow.
And it's a limited, so it's all leather interior.
And where did you acquire it?
I drove to Wisconsin to get it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, 5 years ago.
Yeah. And do you mind if I open the door?
No, go ahead. Here, I'll take this stuff out of there and you can see it a little better.
I've got a bad back, so I use the same kind of stuff.
Go ahead and open it up. Yeah. Yeah, it's in beautiful condition.
Yes, it is.
One of the interesting things about this car, the engine. I really love the engine. It has 12 spark plugs.
Does it really?
Yes, but it idles at 300 RPMs. Find another car that idles at 300 RPMs smoothly.
Yeah. Wow. And how many cylinders is it?
Six-cylinder.
Six-cylinder?
Yeah, it's a Mercedes-Benz. You know, everything from the door handle down is all Mercedes-Benz.
Okay.
Engine, transmission, differential.
Yeah. 12 spark plugs, 6 cylinders.
Right.
And RPMs idles down to 300.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. And I like the size too a lot because it's not as small as a Miata.
Okay.
And it's not as long as a Corvette.
Yes.
But yet it's got the great lines to it.
They are amazing looking.
And this got pretty decent trunk size too.
Can you open the trunk?
Sure.
And it also has a rear spoiler that comes up at speed, does it not?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
However, I'll be honest with you. If you remove fuse number 16, it won't come up. I don't like spoilers.
Okay.
They spoil the looks.
Yeah.
And also it makes it a little harder to see out the rear view mirror too, out the window with the spoiler up.
So you pulled fuse 16.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you can always put it back in.
Yeah. And when the top drops down, does it go in the trunk then as well?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all automatic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mercedes-Benz, the technology that they brought to Chrysler when they were working together were amazing.
Yeah. Here, I'll show you under the hood too.
Okay, yes, please. And I'm going to go down the passenger side. I'll meet you in front.
Yeah, I've seen so many people do it. It's literally just look up like a stitching marker.
Great looking exhaust tips right in the center of the
Aren't they?
end.
Yeah, I think that's really cool.
Oh,
It
that's
looks
beautiful.
brand new.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. I love the looks of their engine. It's a compartment. It's really, really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, with only, 31,000 miles?
30,000 miles,
30,000. Yeah, that's... And access to the battery.
Yes.
So often they're in the trunk or somewhere, like the F-Type. That may be a unique battery location.
Yeah, you're right there. You're right. And I added the performance air intake.
Yes.
And I have the original system also. So
Okay.
And it helped the performance a little bit.
Yeah. And you live in the St. Louis area?
O'Fallon, Missouri.
O'Fallon? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in Lake St. Louis, right next to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
And any other uniqueness that makes this vehicle more appealing that people should know about if they're interested in buying it?
Yes, the wheels.
Okay.
These are not standard factory wheels.
Okay.
They help offset the car and accentuate the color.
Okay.
In my opinion.
Yeah.
And it's the two front tires only got maybe 1,000 miles on them.
Okay.
And the rear's only got about 3,000 miles on them. So It's got relatively new tires.
Yeah. And 30,000 miles.
Yeah, that's practically a brand new car. It handles really well.
And I'm going to just take your slip of paper and pull it up a little bit so I can shoot it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Just want to give people as much information as possible.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah. Any other uniqueness, Glenn, that we should talk about?
Well, they only made 994 Roadsters
Okay.
like this one.
Yeah.
So, and in this case, they only made 61 of them this color.
Yeah. And it is a beautiful color.
Yeah, oh yeah, I love the color. Yeah, I searched a long time.
Yeah. And so are you the second owner?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Possibly third.
Yeah.
But
with 30,000 miles, it really doesn't matter.
right, I agree.
You can't do much damage in 30,000 miles.
Now,
Well, Glenn, thank you so much for showing us and telling us the story behind your car.
well, great. Thank you for the interview.
Yeah, and I have your phone number on there, so if people want to contact you, they can simply call your phone number, leave a message if you don't answer, and you'll get back to them, correct?
Yes, sir, I sure will.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Glenn.
Thank you very much.